everyone. Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. I really appreciate comments and suggestions on my previous videos. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing about how to create histogram for given data. Here, I have data for 13 students. In order to create histogram, we need to create a frequency table first. Hence, I've created a frequency table here for three different age groups for class of 2021. So, in order to create histogram, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and highlight this frequency table first and then click on Insert. And then you can either click on this recommended charts to select clustered column, or you can click on this drop down button for the chart option and then click on clustered column. Now I have a bar chart for the frequency table that I have created for 13 students. I'll go ahead and delete these grid lines. Here I have bar chart with gaps in between. So histogram is a continuous chart. Hence, I'll double click on one of the bars and then I have this format data series pop-up box. Here you can see that the gap width between the bars is 219%. So I'll decrease this to 0%, making um, these bars continuous. And also I'll go ahead and right click on the bar and then click on this add data labels. So now I have the frequencies on top of the bars as well. Now I'll go ahead and change the chart title to histogram for class of 2021, and I will go ahead and move this chart over here. So this is how you can create a histogram for given data. Hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and also please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all so very much. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.